This is my first grandchild.
Oh.
Are you recording?
Little
Yeah.
Jacob Christopher O'Grady. Yep. Oh, look at his little faces. Oh. There's Mama and Grandma and little baby boy. Oh,
He's doing his, that looks like my mouth.
yeah, yeah. Oh, look at. Oh my gosh. He says I have all these little thoughts and dreams. I'm in totally baby la la land.
Quite a bit of hair.
He has a lot of hair, yeah. It's not curly like yours, but he has a lot. Well, that's what the guy said, the technician said he was going to have. Oh, I just can't believe it. I'm just getting in from Fort Lauderdale, coming to see my grandson and my daughter. Like I told her, wild horses wouldn't keep me away.
Good. So we needed to see you.
Yeah.